Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today I am in full out lazy mode. I got my hair up in a bun and I'm just rocking some sweats because I am going to be packing for most of the day. I tried to pull some stuff together last night so that today I wouldn't be like humming and hawing over what to bring. I've never been away from home for this length of time, so I'm not even gonna lie to you, packing has been quite the struggle. I'm really trying to focus on bringing pieces that I can rewear with multiple different outfits because I am only bringing the one suitcase. So it's kind of, yeah, it's a big struggle for me. So I think I'm just gonna go through and show you guys what I'm thinking of bringing. And I think I do want to hit the store quickly before we go because I want to get some more midi length skirts, just something flowy that I can wear in Thailand. I know the culture is a little more modest and a lot of the summer things that I have are like shorts, but I do want to cover my knees and my shoulders and that kind of thing. So I might go pick up a couple more items, but otherwise I think I have it all together. So let's get going. So I think I have everything that I want to bring all laid out, and now the hard part is going to be squishing it all into my suitcase, but I'm feeling pretty good about it. I just have a few things in my suitcase that I put in last night, just the for sure things that I'm going to be bringing. Some pajama bottoms and then 2 pajama tops, just loose fitting t-shirt. Then I have a jean jacket as well as my raincoat, and this is just a beach towel. We thought we might need them and we're staying in a lot of Airbnbs, so just in case they don't have towels or things like that. And then in this bag here I'm bringing all of my bathing suits, and I thought this bag could also double as a beach bag that I could just pack my towel and things like that in as well. Yeah, just a few bathing suits in there. Okay, over here is where I was organizing my carry-on things, and I always like to bring a big scarf on the plane just so I can have it as a blanket. So I'll wear that to the airport, and then I'm bringing an extra pair of just my crappy little flip-flops. Those are gonna go in my bag, and this is gonna be the outfit that I'm going to wear to the airport. So I have some leggings, just a basic black tank top, and then my sweater. And I'm also gonna wear my black Nike shoes. That way I have a pair of running shoes with me as well. I'm gonna be bringing the 4-Hour Workweek. I really wanna finish that book, and then I'm also bringing a notebook here, and I am also getting one more book to bring along with me. It's just on hold at the bookstore right now, so I'm gonna go pick that up this afternoon, but it's called Inspired Destiny and it got really good ratings. I think someone recommended it to me. I have like a list that I keep in my phone of books that I really want to get, and that one was on the list. So whenever I hear of a book recommendation or someone recommends one to me, I add it straight to the list, and then that way when I need a new book I know what I want to get because I already have a full list going. So that one I'm also gonna get and bring along with me. And then in here, this little baggie is where I'm just keeping my passport and a pen, and then when I have to wait in lines and things like that, I'll just throw my cell phone in there as well, and it can just dangle around my wrist kind of thing. Also in my carry-on, I'm going to be bringing an extra bathing suit, an extra t-shirt, and just an extra pair of shorts. Probably some tampons. I'm going to be packing a whole box of tampons, so I'll throw some in my carry-on and then have the rest in my suitcase. And for my carry-on, I'm going to be using my big like heavy-duty backpack. The last time I went on a plane, I decided to be cute and wear my big tote bag and put my laptop and everything like that in there, and it was such a mistake. Like, it was so inconvenient having the bag because you like throw it over your arm, and as you're walking like down aisles and things, it's like hitting people. So it was super awkward, and it was really uncomfortable waiting in line with a big bag like that, especially when you have a ton of weight in it. It can be very uncomfortable. So I thought, I'm like, you know what, this time I'm just bringing my heavy duty backpack. That way I can just carry my laptop, extra cords, chargers, all of my carry-on goodies in the backpack, and it's no biggie kind of thing. So comfort is key. Okay, so that's it for all the carry-on stuff, and then this is going to be my main bag. Hopefully everything fits in there. Starting here, I'm bringing some gym clothes because we're gonna try to hit the gym while we're away. So I just have 2 sports bras and then a tank top and some leggings. And then since I'll be wearing my Nikes, I'll have those as well. Over here are my skirts and my shorts. So I'm bringing this skirt here. Then I have a maxi black skirt, my black jean shorts, my khaki green shorts, and then a couple more pairs of just darker, comfortable shorts. Over here, I am bringing a lot of dresses just because they are super easy to toss on, and that's your full full outfit right there. This top one here I got from Walmart for literally $10 just because I wanted something I could easily toss over a bathing suit and things like that. Next up I got these two dresses here, and these are from Shop Toby, and they actually reached out to me and wanted to send me some product, so I thought it was perfect timing because I wanted a couple of loose and flowy dresses for our trip. So I picked out these two here, and they're both longer, which is nice. So I have the white one with some floral print and then the darker one, and they are both wrap dresses. So yeah, I'm digging those. Then I have just a fitted green dress. I have this dress here, this other dress here. I showed you guys these last time. My white dress. I have this stripy romper thing here. This is like a fitted jersey dress, and then I also have another white dress that's off the shoulder. And then over here, these are just my t-shirts that I'm planning on bringing. So basic black one. I have a tank top, another tank top, a few more tank tops, some white t-shirts, and yeah, pretty much just basics. These were the pants that I wanted to bring, and they're all like palazzo pants. So I have a pair of black ones, some striped ones, and then this like burnt orange color, and I thought these would be nice in the heat because they are really loose fitted and flowy. And then over on this side I have some button-ups, so that one here, another one, and then this is just a like kimono type thing, some gym socks, and then I'm also going to be packing just a little evening bag as well as this backpack. I like this backpack because it can get really flat, so it'll be easy to pack in the suitcase, and then if we're going on a day trip or something, I have that to pack up with instead of my big bulky backpack. This is going to be my shower bag right here, so I have like soap and a razor, my self tanner, and shampoo and conditioner. I picked up another Marc Anthony shampoo and conditioner, and I grabbed this one just because it's a little bit bigger than the other ones, but I am excited to try it out. It's instantly thick volume, so yeah, hopefully this one's as good as the other one that I really love. And then I also have a Pantene leave-in conditioner that I can just slap in my hair afterwards. Oh, and also a curling wand just hiding over here. So this little baggie here is sort of like our first aid kit, so we just have a ton of like Advil and Gravel. I get really motion sick, so that's definitely an essential for me. Yeah, just all that kind of stuff in there. This is my makeup bag right here. You guys, I finally ditched my really old makeup bag. This one I got from one of those sales at Nordstrom when they were giving out little goodie bags if you purchase something. So I had it kicking around and I'm like, why didn't I just do this earlier? So that's just my everyday makeup. This is my toiletry bag. I showed you guys what was in here last time. And then over here, this is just some extra stuff that I have. So keeping my brushes in here as well as some lipsticks. And the bottom part, I have some hair things as well as some highlighters and then some earrings. And in here is some more earrings and hair elastics and things like that. And then this little baggie over here is just some electrical adapters so that we can plug everything in without any problems. So that's pretty much what I've got going on. Now it's the hard part to get everything fitting into my bag. Let's go. I forgot to show you guys my shoes. So I'm just bringing a couple pairs. I have these shoes here. They're extremely worn, but they're really, really comfortable, which is why I'm bringing them. So they're just some black strappy sandals. And then I'm also bringing these sandals right here, also pretty worn, but they're really comfortable. So comfort is key. And I'll probably bring a pair of black flats as well. And then I have my Nikes. So I think that should be good. Alright, so the good news is everything fits okay in the bag. The bad news is that is going to be really annoying really fast trying to pack and unpack everything. Yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!